Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the steampunk outfit in Trust and Press for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all guys, you can choose this here and then you're going to color it with this brown color and combine it with this here, make it the same color, and also this one, apply the same color. And then you're going to put on this hat. And for the hat, you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. And then for the third selection, you're going to apply this color. And fourth selection, fifth selection. And then apply this ribbon, make it this color. Then this earphone, make it this color. And then this sunglasses, make it this color. Okay, and this boots, you're going to make it like this. And the next one, I'm going to put on this corset, this one guys. And for this corset, I'm going to make it to go one, and I'm going to change the color for the second selection, make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to put on the sleeves. And for the sleeves, we're going to apply this pattern. And for the stocking, I'm going to make it black. Alright, and let's move to this area and apply this stocking. I'm going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. And I'm going to move to the next area, put on this suit, and then we're going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the second selection, apply this pattern. And next selection, make it this pattern. And for the button, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, done. And I'm going to move to the skirt area, put on this ballerina skirt, and we're going to choose to go to and then apply this pattern. Alright, and let's move to the dressing room, and then we're going to go to the kids item and put on this jacket and then apply this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this menu, select this skirt, and we're going to apply this pattern for the first selection, second selection, and for the third selection, we're going to apply this pattern, fourth selection as well, and fifth selection as well. And the last one, I'm going to go to the kids item, and I'm going to put on this dress, but we're going to choose top only, and then we're going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the next selection, just leave it like that. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.